Alright, so find the exact angle measure of the red line in gradient. So this is the angle that we are trying to find. How does the angle go? It starts at the positive x-axis, and you have to determine if it's a positive or negative first. Notice it's going counterclockwise. That means a positive angle. Okay, so let's go ahead and label each axis first. So if you go this much, it's going to be half of the radian. If you go a straight line, it's going to be a pi. And that much is going to be 3 half the pi. If you were to make one full circle, it's going to be 2 pi. Now look at the red one. So start over here. So how much did I go? I went that much. So I went pi, and I went 5 over 12 pi more. So what is pi plus 5 over 12 pi? Oops. Pi plus 5 over 12 pi. There's nothing there. So how do you add two fractions? You need a common denominator, right? Which is going to be 12. So I'm going to make that pi as a 12 over 12. And then you can just add your numerators together. 12 plus 5 is 17 over 12 pi. So answer is 17 over 12 pi. Let's do one more question in case. So number 2, very similar to number 1. It's in radians, so 0, pi over 2 is a positive direction. This much is going to be pi. So I'm looking at this red line, right? Notice I didn't quite go all the way to the pi. You guys see it? Then how much did I go? I went, well, there are two ways you can do it. You can just do half the pi plus 7 over 18 pi. You guys see it? Half the pi plus 7 over 18 pi. So pi over 2 plus 7 over 18 pi. You need a common denominator, so I'm going to multiply 9 to first top and the bottom. I get 9 pi over 18 plus 7 over, I don't know why it's doing it, 7 over 18 pi, which I get 16 over 18 pi. Make sure you reduce it. It's going to be 8 over 9 pi. So it's going to be 8 over 9 pi, and as you can see, 8 over 9 pi, I don't know why it's happening. It's not quite all the way to the pi, so it makes sense why it's not quite the pi, but bigger than half the pi. Another way you can do it is, if the, yeah, no, that's good enough. Or, well, maybe I'll explain. This much is half the pi. So if that's 7 over 18 pi, the other little piece will be 2 over 18 pi. Why is that 2? Because half is 9 over 18. If that's 7, this much is 2 over 18 pi. It's going to be 1 over 9 pi. 1 over 9 pi. The whole thing is a pi, and that much is 1 over 9 pi. That much is going to be 8/9 of pi. So you still get the same answer either way.